Hey, Algebra 2 guys. I'd like to look at a question on your quiz, section 9697. By the way, I'm giving you a test next week on chapter 9, so get ready for that. All right, here's our question. It's a word problem, but it gives you this equation, and it wants you to write this equation in standard form. So this is the way the question starts out. If we're writing it in standard form, the first thing we want to do is get our like variables together. So I want x squared with x, y squared with y. So far, so good. Now, in this grouping, I'm going to factor the lead coefficient of my x squared term. I'll do the same thing with y. And then I move the 269 to the other side of the equation. Now I want you to see something here. Since this is a minus sign here and I'm factoring this out, then I need to make this a minus, because what's a minus times a minus? Y, it's a plus. Okay, I got to complete the square with this binomial and with this binomial. You're saying, I don't remember how to do that. I know you don't. This should have an x with it. Sorry about that. So take half of this to complete the square. I take half of this and square it. What's half of 8? Then square it. Now, I added something here and I added something here, so I've got to add something here and here. I added 4 here, but this 4 is being multiplied by 25, so this needs to be 4 times 25, or 100. See that? And then I need to add 9 plus 16. Oh, excuse me, 9 times 16. But notice that that 9 has got a minus in front of it, so negative 9 times 16 is negative 144. Now I'll write this in factored form. This factored is this. This factored is this. Now to get this in standard form, I divide everything by 225. Right? Because 25 over 225 is 1 over 9. 9 over 225 is 1 over 25. That is standard form. This is a hyperbola because that's a minus sign. It opens vertically. That means that it goes up and down. If you're going to graph this thing, it looks like this. the center is at 2, 4. There's the center of my hyperbola. Okay. What's the square root of 9? It's 3. Okay. What's the square root of 25? 5. I'll draw me a box. The asymptotes are the diagonals of the box. This goes this way, this goes this way. Okay? Now, you don't have to graph it on the quiz, but that's how you graph a hyperbola. All right, good luck on that quiz. Also, if you need to ask me a question, don't hesitate, right? You can even call me. You should have my number, but if you don't have it, area code 205-292-3018. I'd love to hear from you. Bye now.